Hey, I'm Greg Dupre. I'm the Senior Instructor for Aeon Unmanned's Drone Licensed Ground School. Thanks for visiting our site. So, you're interested in getting your drone license. You probably know that all you need to do to qualify for the license is to take and pass the FAA Drone Knowledge Exam. Now, the exam is not hard, it's high school level material, but there's lots of it. So you've got to focus when you're doing your test preparation. At Aeon, we've got a simple proposition. In a live 2-day classroom setting, we prepare our students, many of whom have never touched a drone, to take and pass the FAA Drone Knowledge Exam. In fact, this is our 9th year of creating drone pilots in our Denver classroom, in the Colorado Front Range area, and across the country. We've been honored to serve many industries and agencies, and we're very proud of the high Google rating we've earned doing that. Please review our website. You'll see that we offer discounts to veterans, first responders, students, and others. So, if you're looking for a fast route to getting a drone license with a live instructor and friendly classmates, check us out. Thanks.